Hey guys, a long time no upload. I knew. I'm gonna tell you why I was gone. So, I went on vacation for a week, right? When I came back, I was sick for 2 weeks. Yeah, it wasn't COVID, thank God, but I did have influenza type A, and I'm better now, but yeah. Bad experience, horrible experience. The vacation was amazing. I didn't feel sick until I came back. A horrible experience. Anyway, I have not touched my hair in almost a month because of it. So, today I had to use a sulfate shampoo to wash my hair, and I've never seen my hair have so much dandruff or see my hair that dry in a very, very, very long time. I think since before I started my hair journey. So yeah, I'm going to show you something that I've been using when my hair is super duper dry that has been helping me detangle my hair and moisturize it when needed. So I got this idea from You Love Megs here on YouTube. If you're not subscribed to her, girl, get your life and subscribe to her. She posted this last year and I decided to try it this year. She said it was making her hair grow. Now, because I started using it in February and I've been doing the castor oil challenge, the rice water challenge, and only using this when my hair is super duper dry, I don't know if I'm seeing those benefits directly from this, but I can tell you that my hair is super duper moisturized when I use this. So what exactly is it? Her video is titled Aloe Vera and Rose Water Spritz. I'm going to call it a concoction, okay? Because that's what it is, all right? So what is in it? Aloe vera. I'm going to be using aloe vera gel. You can use the aloe vera juice, aloe vera water, whatever you want to call it. You can also squeeze fresh aloe vera. I use this one because you do not have to refrigerate this, and like I said, I only use this when needed. So if I buy the juice or a fresh aloe vera plant, I'm gonna be wasting my money, you know? Rose water. So I got the Heritage brand because it's easy to find. Amazon, Whole Foods, and the Vitamin Shop. Vegetable glycerin. So I got this from the Now Foods brand or Now Solutions brand. And disclaimer, this is very sticky. It's like a thinner feel than honey. It's a lot thinner than honey, but it is sticky, okay? Oil. In her video, she used avocado oil. I'm using grapeseed oil today because it's one of my favorite oils, essential oil. So in her video, she used rosemary, and today I'm going to use rosemary and peppermint because I can't really decide which one I want to do. Let's go ahead and make this concoction. I like to use the continuous spray bottle, but you can use any spray bottle that you want to use, any spray bottle that you have on hand. There is some already in here. I'm just going to add to it. Like, it's not a big deal. So I'm going to take the aloe vera gel and put that in there. That should be enough. Rose water. Vegetable glycerin. Grapeseed oil. Peppermint oil. Rosemary. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to put the top back on. And when you use it, you just shake it. And then I spray it in my hair like that. So that is pretty much how you make it. Now, I'm gonna tell you why I love it now that you know how to make it. The actual benefits of this concoction. Well, aloe vera and vegetable glycerin are known to be great humectants, make your hair stronger, shinier, and smoother. The rose water helps with strength as well and hair porosity. The grapeseed oil is a great sealer because it is just so lightweight and moisturizing, and it also protects from free radical damage, and it makes my hair feel smoother. The rosemary and the peppermint oil, it just makes my hair feel good. Like, it makes my scalp feel really good. It has that cooling sensation, and the smell is great. And those oils, the essential oils, help the hair grow because it does stimulate the scalp for better blood circulation. So yeah, that is why I love this stuff. So how do I normally use it? Well, I spray it in my hair as a pre-poo, and then I'll put my honey, put a shower cap on, leave it that way for an hour without heat, and then rinse it out and move right along with my wash day. And it just makes detangling a lot easier. It makes my hair softer and just more manageable. Also, I like to spray it in my hair and twist it up or put bantu knots, put a shower cap, and sleep like that overnight with a scarf and a bonnet on top. When I wake up in the morning, my hair is super duper soft and has soaked up all of that moisture. Another way that I like to use it is the way that I'm using it now. So I'll shampoo my hair with a sulfate shampoo, and then I need to add that moisture back. So I'll use this to go ahead and spray on my hair, put my deep conditioner on, put a shower cap, then go ahead and add heat using my bonnet dryer. And then I'll go ahead and rinse it out and follow up with the rest of my wash day. I also noticed that when I'm being a lazy natural, I'll spray it on my hair and then seal with oil, preferably the grapeseed oil because it's very lightweight. And then I'll just go ahead and twist my hair up and then wear a twist. So yeah, I would definitely say to give this a try, especially if you are a natural and you've been trying to keep your hair moisturized. Just try it and you'll know what I'm talking about. Like, this stuff is amazing. So yeah, that is pretty much what I wanted to show you guys today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section or hit me up on Instagram at _JasmineKnowsBest, and I'll be sure to respond to you. And yeah, thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing, hitting the bell notification. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.